Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Princess Anneliese from Barbie as the princess and the Pauper in Dress to Impress. Okay, this is for the outfit guys. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and you're going to change the toggle to back and remove the flower, and you're going to color it with this color for all the selection and put on this necklace. This is from the VIP room, but if you don't have VIP, you can replace it with the other necklace. Okay, and this is for the color code. You can make it pink like this and make it gold for the second selection and also the third selection. And then you're going to put on this tiara. This is also from the VIP room and make it this gold and this pink. Again, if you don't have VIP, you can replace it with another crown. And then you're going to put on this heels and make it this color for the first selection and second selection. And then you're going to put on this corset from here. Okay, and then you're going to color it like this. This is for the first selection, second selection, third selection, fourth selection, and last selection. And then you can make the material glitter. Go to the material and make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the world culture clothing area, and I'm going to put on this skirt. And then for the color, I'm going to make it this pink color. Okay, and I'm going to apply the glitter. Okay, make it glitter. And then I'm going to put on this dress, and then we're going to choose only skirt. Okay, and then for the color, you can make it this pink color for the first selection until the last selection. Okay, like this. And then we're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, and we're going to select this dress, and then we're going to choose the only sleeves. And then we're going to make it this color for the first selection. And second selection, you're going to make it this color. Oops, not this one, but this one, guys. Okay, and then you're going to make it glitter. Alright, done. And I'm going to move to the changing room. Okay, I'm going to select this skirt and remove the layer. And for the color, you're going to make it this pink color and make it glitter. Okay, done. And I'm going to choose this skirt from the Withered Rose set. Choose only skirt, no layer. And I'm going to make it this pink color. And then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, done. And I'm gonna move to this petal update area and put on this butterfly. And for the color, I'm going to make it this color. Alright, and I'm going to move to the VIP room and put on the cap. Okay, but this is optional, guys. Okay, I'm going to make it only cape, light air, and make it this blue color, and then make it glitter. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Princess Anneliese and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!